So hello, hey, what's up? How are you guys? It's me again, and we are currently in Boracay Resort in Antipolo. We're going to have a tour of the place, and it's very high. It's very high. Kasi dito kasi ano yung mga private natin. Maganda yung ghost hunting. Sila ba yun? Oo. Babagin lang ng mga. Ha? Babagin ng lakad. So instead of swimming, we're going touring. Ay, sige. Ay, private po. Oo nga. Pag VIP, ganyan-ganyan. Ay, hotel ka na lang. Mag-VIP ka diba?
First station naman naman.
Ah, ito yung Olympic size.
Oh, dito yata yung sisiyo.
Hindi, dun. Dun sa una. Boracay Resort.
With dinosaur.
They also have a basketball court. Tapos iikot tayo pa doon.
Oo.
Pagbalik. Pero walang ikot, wala tayong ikotan yan. Ito na yun. Magbalik na tayo dito eh. Ay, may anaconda.
Saan?
Ayun.
Sa itaas, bawal.
Sana bawa ba? Sana bawa na T-Rex. Yeah.
Hybrid pa ito.
This is the clubhouse.
Dito pinulikat kanina.
Their clubhouse. Yeah.
Kaagad umakyat.
Oh, that's them, oh. And then, yeah, it's basically very quiet. We're here because of my brother's friend's birthday. Wala, nakisama lang kami. One of the main purpose why I'm here is para rin sa PETA. Ayan. Nakagawa ako ng PETA dahil dito. Kaya ayun. We went for a short swim. And it's very early. So, we're gonna see if we're gonna swim again. But for now, we're going to have a look around the place. Yeah. Bulo ng camera, no? Sorry, naglalakad kasi kami. And if you know Antipolo, if you've been to Antipolo, you'll know that it's very matarik. It's very... Doon, may bilihan doon. There's a monkey, oh.
Bigyan niya natin.
Doon, alam ko meron doon. It's very high. High? It's very...
Nakapagod.
Yeah, very tiring because of all the climbs. It's very quiet in this part because most people are more on that side.
Mas madali ito.
We are unintentionally following. Oh! Unintentionally following my brother and their group. Because again, we're doing a tour. Unfortunately, we are very limited on the locations that we can go to. Oh my gosh. Would you look at that? It's steep. Is it steep? Steep is the word. It's very steep. Ba yun? Steep yun yung may...
Matarik.
Okay. So we're in the entranceway. And look at that. Storm wave area. Wave pool area, I believe.
Boy, di mo kakayanin yan, boy.
It's a wave pool. Something. Oh, ba't hindi ka sasama sa kanila? Ha? Hindi ka sasama sa kanila?
Bibili lang sila ng ano.
Kaya ka, lahat sila?
Oo.
Hindi ka sasama?
Kita mo, lahat silang ganito eh.
Lahat sila?
Sa pala naman dyan. Ito kami yung, ano mag-itin kami?
Ang masaya dito ba eh?
7 feet lang?
Would you look at that? Ay, pwede mo mag-step over. Ay, step over.
Umakalog yung mga mamatay ka dyan. Alam mo yung tangkad mo ah.
Ganda nyo na maghalita sa vlog ko, B.
Ay, sorry po.
Look at that. Ano
Wow.
kaya dito?
Masaya nga. Wala naman tayong crowds.
Ako meron.
Oh, wala.
Gusto mama ka. Oh, bakit?
Wala naman
Oo
ako
nga,
pera.
iramin mo kay mama.
Ha?
Iramin mo yung kay mama. Baka kaya sa'yo.
Kumuha yun.
Or di mo naman kasi ka pa ng wavy. Tsaka private dito.
Wavy niya, no?
Maka-video ko dito.
Wave pala kasi.
Ano tara? Iramin natin. Iramin natin. Ano ba kailangan? Kailangan full body ano?
Trunks lang daw.
Ito trunks lang.
Pwede ito, pwede ito.
Pag trunks lang, kailangan shirtless. O yun na lang. Ano ba bibili? Ano ba bibili naman yun? O shirts lang ako. Ganun na lang. Pabalik mo na nag-vlog ako.
Thank you sila.
Okay, kaya natin mag-isa. Huwag kang kakausap ako sila na. Pag may nag-try sa'yo, suntokin mo agad. So, we're going to try to enter the wave pool. Because it's really, really good. As you saw. And we're in the middle of
VIP.
the VIP lounge. Parang hotel area. Ganun. Or like,
Ito yung pinaka...
ito yung mga naka-aircon.
Ayun yung pinaka main nila.
We are staying on a
Kasi
cottage.
ito,
Cottage?
ito,
Sunny, is currently what time?
pang saglit na oras lang to.
It's 10:03. Oh, ba't dito? Ito na. It's 10:03 in the morning. We arrived here at about
Ano?
8? Around 8?
7. Ay, di. Oh, some 8:50.
What's that coconut?
8:50 tayo nakadating. Kasi,
We're going back.
kasi naligo tayo, 9:30.
It's a different pool sides. Very against the light. Different pool sides. Kapag ganyan, pakita mo na nag-vlog na. Kasi papansin ko. Ayan. They have a lot of choices for swimming pool area. Pag ganun. Pool areas. But most of them,
Okay, hindi na ako.
not actually most of them, but
Pwede na ako mag-film, ano, pwede na ako.
most of, hindi mo ko dun. Doon di ako. Most of them are
Paano yung laro
for
ko?
children. There are, I think, 2. I know it's not most of them, pero
Gago yan.
yeah, half of them, half for children, and half of them are
Pero siya, kuya.
more like, bihirawin mo lang yung ano, tanga.
Hindi kasi sa akin yun.
Sa'yo yan.
Ang laki-laki yun, tsaka pang babae yun.
Ganda na. Tsaka pag nalaman na namang wave pool, ano yung pangkakan sa wave pool. Guys, ano, I don't know if the word is right. Steep, basta. It's matarek. Welcome!
Yeah, balik na doon! Nadaan ko na. Ano pala ito dun?
A private session. You have your private session. Basketball court.
Tracing na yun.
4 feet lang, oh. And then, padalim siya. We started there. Now we're going to go and turn here for the other pools. Mostly the kiddie pools. And you're gonna hear a lot of noises because this is where most people are.
Huwag na dyan, baka lumuwag dyan. Ayan.
Meron ba doon? Parang wala. Para to yun.
Tsaka siya yun. Balik ka ba yun?
Gusto ko sa apple. Hanap si apple.
Ay, wala nagpapag.
Bakit ang kiripo?
Silitan sila. Pero
Ang silap. Turtle. Saka na pa ako.
Yung pa
With all the walking. And then that's the other one. Very planned.
Ay, nakita ko siya. Doon, pagkabi mo.
Doon tao, dito na tayo. Doon lang tayo. Siya mo? Walang tao.
May tao dito.
Ay na, doon tapos na ibig sabihin. Dito tayo, walang tao dito, dito na tayo.
Doon na rin tayo nakapila.
Ayoko doon, may tao doon. Hindi ako makapag-cellphone doon. Dito wala magnanakaw, wala kang tao.
Sure ka wala?
Wala mo.
Hindi, sure ka wala magdanakaw.
Yun lang. cottage is about here. I think it's around here now. And we are about to go swim at the wave pool. Aray. One other pool that I haven't shown you is where we first swam. Swam? Or did it swim? Ito pala eh! Ay, hindi ba yan? Ayaw magtanong. Sige, di ba? Sila na lang tanongin natin.
Gano'n din nga yun sa harap.
Hindi ka na. So, the other pool is Pavilion 1. Ayun o, ano lang tao ba eh? Ayun, yung dami.
Dito.
Sige, wala talaga tao dyan. Lalim-lalim yun. 10 feet. Ay. Ano ko picture ko lang. It's very beautiful there.
Renta raw ba yun? Alam ko,
Yan.
bibili daw, di ba?
Ewan ko.
Kasi babasain mo. Doon sa susuotin mo, tapos babalik mo.
Oh. Nalaban naman nila yun. So yeah, we're gonna go to the wave pool and see you guys there.
Nakakita ka na ba ng tubig? Nakaamoy ka na ba ng simoy ng hangin sa may dagat? Nakatapak ka na ba sa buhangin ng dalampasigan? Hindi ba't kay sarap sa pakiramdam na maranasan? Parang ang buhay. Tulad ng tubig, ang buhay ay minsan malinaw, minsan malabo. Tulad ng dagat, ang buhay ay malalim. At tulad ng dalampasigan, ang buhay ay maganda. Pero tulad din ng tubig, dagat, at dalampasigan, ang buhay ay walang hanggan. Gustuhin mong matapos o maubos, patuloy ito sa lawak, haba, at lalim. Kaya pahalagahan natin ang buhay na parang tubig. Kasi higit sa lahat, ang tubig at buhay ay parehang malaya. Malayang mabuhay at maging masaya.